Okay, I'm trying to be as direct as I can and not ramble in terms of the issue I'm having. But essentially, as you know, with Flux, whenever there's a change in in a store, that store usually emits, or almost always emits, a change event, and then the view hears that or receives that change event and then updates the state. So I've got this an array of messages here, and I've got a fucking, what is this called again? My bad. I've only been using Flux for like 4 days, so terminology I'm still a bit new on. But yeah, if you know Flux, you know what this is, right? And so I have an action on the view, which passes a message. So here it is. Got the username, the message, and the message ID. That gets passed to. Here's the action as well. If you're curious to see what that looks like. Constants, real quick as well, if you want to see that. Yeah, okay. And then I have a switch statement. Yep. Add message. Okay, so the message that I pass in here gets pushed to this messages array. Hopefully you're still with me so far and I haven't just explained that really badly. Okay, so usually when there's a change here, this store should then emit a change event, and then this should update right here. This is what I'm trying to update. However, for some reason, as you can see here in this lifecycle event, I just want to set these the initial message I have here first, and then after that, handle adding new messages later on. However, for some reason, as you can see, I just refresh and it loads. That works fine. But for some reason, whenever I type in a message, it updates the state anyway. For some reason, this right here is being called more than once. I've tried to log. If I just put in a log mount. Sorry, by the way, log's a custom function up here. It's just a console.log mount. As you can see, sorry, let me just do that again. Refresh. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Oh, I called it twice, my bad. Yeah, my bad. Okay, I was really confused. Yeah, okay, so as you can see, it's only being called once, and if I type in a new message, yeah, so component did mount is not being called more than once, so that's kind of out of the equation. Hopefully I've shown you enough for you to make sense of what's going on. But yeah, I just want to set these initial messages, but for some reason this is just getting called every single time there's an update to this array here. Yeah, please help me. This is driving me literally insane. I know for a chat application I can just use socket on its own, and I have done that, but for the sake of learning Flux, one, I just want to understand it better, and secondly, because of the scale of this application and building, Flux is just the right choice in terms of scalability. Okay, cool. Please help. Alright, thanks for watching if you did all the way.